this will probably be my best unboxing ever. Ever.
Hi, my name is Bam Bam Bam!
Hi, my name is iRock, and you're watching my YouTube channel, iRock RC. Alright! Aloha everyone! Hi, I am iRock, and yes, this is another unboxing. It will probably be my best unboxing ever. My best unboxing. But enough with the jibber jabber, chit chat. Let's go do this unboxing. But first, I have is the trusty razor. Remember folks, when handling sharp objects or razors, please be careful and do not injure yourself or cut yourself. And for those who are under the age of 18, please get your parents' permission. Now let's go do this unboxing. Before I do the unboxing, I just wanted to let you folks know where I got this box, or this RC. I got it all the way from Champaign, Illinois. Yes, Champaign, Illinois. HorizonHobby.com. If you haven't checked out Horizon Hobby, I recommend you do. They have cool RCs and cool parts and miscellaneous. Now let's go do this unboxing. But before I do an unboxing, would you folks want to take a guess what's in the box? Or do you want me to just want to do just want to do the unboxing? Let's go do the unboxing. If folks haven't noticed, yes, it's a Losi. Now, are you ready? Yes. Are you ready for the greatest unboxing ever? So, without any further ado, it's like boom! None other than from Horizon Hobby. Here we have is the Losi Audi R8 LMS Ultra 1/6 scale all-wheel drive brushless supercar in all its heavenly glory. Capable of 60 plus miles per hour, massive brushless motor used with two 2S or two 3S LiPo batteries with EC5 connectors and 6-cell pinion. So from Team Losi AVC or Active Vehicle Control, equipped, harness the power. Responsive cornering, all-wheel drive aluminum 6iX chassis. Waterproof ESC, servo and receiver. Ready to run. Battery and charger required. So, picture at the top of the box. Pretty looking cool Audi R8. Picture of the bottom of the box. Here we have is a picture of the side of the box. Here's a picture of the other side of the box, ready to run. What's included in the box? Audi R8 LMS Ultra, full range transmitter, 4 AA batteries. Needed to complete is rechargeable battery and a charger. Here's a picture of the top of the box. Picture of the Audi R8. In all different languages. Age recommendation. They don't want to see the box. You want to see what's inside the box. So let's take a look what's inside the box. First thing first is a foam radio transmitter, DX2E DSMR radio system with active vehicle control. Last but not least, we have the instruction manual. Remember folks, before operating your RC, please read the instruction manual. And also included in the instruction manual is your 4 AA batteries, your miscellaneous tools, Allen wrench, T-wrench, wheel nut wrench, and looks like some foams, double-sided sticky foams. Last but not least, we have is the Audi R8 LMS. Here it is, the Losi Audi R8 LMS. Wow, it's like, whoa, check this bad boy out. Pretty cool looking RC. You folks wanna up close? Let's do an up close. Waterproof receiver box and the enormous, gigantiosos, humongous, huge 1200 kV brushless motor. That is one huge motor. And then the Dynamite 6-cell capable ESC with 3 capacitors, the power button and set button, and in your Spektrum steering servo. S904, that is one big servo. Dual shaft driven, one for the rear, one for the front. Here's your EC5 connector, connected in a series connection. 18mm big bore shocks, and these shocks are huge. Looks like your differentials. Pretty cool looking front suspension. Looks pretty beefy. And you have your tires. It looks like for a drift tire for cornering. You want to drift around the corners. Not a belted tire. Foam inserts. Up close look at the wheel, and if you take a close look, here's your front sway bar. Here's a look at the rear suspension. 18mm bore shocks, big bore. Looks like your braces, rear diffuser, rear anti-sway bar, your links, shock tower, differential. Yeah, pretty beefy looking. Taking a sneak peek at the inside of the tire. that was an unboxing and first look at the Losi Audi R8 LMS Ultra. Man, try saying that 10 times fast. It's pretty much a mouthful. So a run video will be up and running in the near future. So yeah, pretty cool looking RC. Probably my best unboxing ever. So that's it for this video. Like always, I wanted to say a big mahalos and a big thank you to all my subscribers and viewers for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Yes, without you folks, there will be no iRock RC. I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. So, to my next video, guys, take care and God bless, and aloha, shaka, and I'm out.
Hi, my name is Bam Bam Bam.